Hi everyone, here we've got WIKO View 3 and let me share with you how to clear browsing data on this device. So first of all, let's open your browser. In my case it will be Google Chrome, so simply tap on it and let's tap on this three dot icon in the right upper corner. As you can see, we've got the history, so simply enter, and this is the list of all previously visited websites. Obviously you can remove all of them one by one just by tapping on this X button right next to it, and as you can see it immediately disappears, and that's okay if you've got not a lot, if you've got you know, like 3 or 4 visited websites. But if you've got the so wide list of them, then you will be able to remove all of them with only one click. So just upon clear browsing data right here, and here we've got some basic and advanced options. In basics we've got browsing history, cookies, site data, and cached images and files. So browsing history is just the list we just saw, and in advanced we've got also saved passwords, autofill form data, and site settings. So if you want to remove something, just make sure that the option will be marked. So let me mark everything, so everything will be removed. What's more, you can change the time range from last hour to, for example, last 7 days. So just upon clear data, if you are ready, and your device probably will ask you if you want to clear site storage, and it will list the websites it will remove. So just tap on clear, and as you can see here we've got no history here, so it means that it is fully empty, and it means that we just successfully cleared the browser. So actually that's all. This is how to clear browsing data in your WIKO View 3. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.